As we move into fall, Phase 1 of the North Penn High School renovation project continues to make strong progress. Let's take a look at the September 2025 milestones. In the natatorium, ceiling and wall painting is nearly complete. Just one small section by the bleacher remains, which will be finished once scaffolding comes down next week. The locker room painting has begun and sound panels on the ceiling are fully installed. Crews also have started installing ceiling panels in the pool locker rooms. NK-Pod floor grinding is underway during the early morning hours to reduce noise concerns, while roofing crews continue hot air welding, flashing, and installing metal coping along the parapet walls. Plumbing work continues in wall rough-ins for gas lines, new eye wash station valves on the third floor of K-Pod, and rough-ins for water fountains in the natatorium. Electrical teams installed new panels in the basement pool equipment room and first floor storage area, while adding outlets and lighting in classrooms and corridors. A brief shutdown on September 23rd allowed tie-ins for the new generator and switchboard. Mechanical crews installed new ductwork and hot water pipes in third-floor classrooms, removed the old K-Pod air handler, and received rooftop units for the natatorium. Looking ahead, work includes continued painting, tiling, roofing, interior finishes, and masonry restoration. In early October, we will see the installation of the new pool packs and rooftop units. By the end of October, both third-floor K-Pod and the natatorium will begin to look like it will when they are due to open after Thanksgiving this fall. Thank you for following along as North Penn renovation project stays on schedule, bringing us closer to a renewed and revitalized North Penn High School.